Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, ventilated seats. Come test drive the 2017 Infiniti Qx80. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.